Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. I'm in Torremolinos and I've decided to book in one night in this 4-star hotel behind me. It's the Hotel Don Pablo. As I say, it's 4-star. It's part of the Sol group by Melia. I'm all checked in. I've got my room key. It's 1119, first floor, room 119. It's half board for the one night. So let's see what this hotel has to offer. So again, by the door you do have your card key slot to activate the electricity. Directly behind you are mirrored wardrobes. Hanging space, drawer space. More storage, more hanging space. You have your safe and more hanging space. Got your mini fridge. It's not a mini bar, but you do have room service. So you've got a little mini fridge. Your case stand again with more storage underneath, a work desk, stool, power supply with USB and HDMI, quite a large flat screen TV. Now what I love is this, you do have a settee, a 2-seater settee table, 2 bedside tables, again with sockets either side and 2 lamps, reading lights, and this bed which is huge again. That looks like a queen, at least a queen size. Let's check out the view. I need to open this window because it's so hot in this room. So there's your balcony. Overlooking table tennis. Get the long shot of the room. So I'm just looking at the bed and I'm looking at that mattress. I mean, look how thick that mattress is. I hate disturbing beds like this, they're too nice. So 4 pillows, let's just check if they do have pillow protectors on. Yes, they have the zipped pillow protectors on. Again, the telltale creases on the bed to say that it's been fresh on. Does it have a mattress protector? Yes, of course, the mattress protector. And as you can see, there's a little slight mark there on the bed, but that does look quite clean. So I'm pulling the bed off totally, they will be clean. So there you go. And of course, the last room to check out is the ensuite. shaving mirror, hairdryer, toilet, sink, quite a large mirror, and a huge walk-in shower. Everything looks spotless. It is a 4-star hotel. Some hand wash. It does look spotless. Try and get that longest shot of the bathroom. Now, I read a few reviews about this hotel and apparently the grounds are huge. So let's see what this hotel has to offer. Good morning. It's my final day here in Torremolinos and my final hotel review, the 4-star Don Pablo SOL Torremolinos. What do I really think? The hotel itself, when you say 4-star, it's on the higher end of 4 stars. I don't know if people have noticed in the past, whenever you go to like a 3-star hotel or a 4-star hotel, you often query, is it actually that star rating or is it a lower star rating? This, I'd say, is definitely on the higher rank of a 4-star. You can just tell by the food. The food itself is a higher quality. I had a steak last night and it was absolutely just melted, absolutely gorgeous, as opposed to some steaks that I've had in hotels where they're tough, they're like shoe leather. It's just the quality of the food. Even the gateau, you can taste the gateau. Now, Spanish, I'm not a lover of Spanish cakes, and Spanish cakes normally are tasteless. They don't have any taste at all. So the food itself has been really good. One negative, I always have a negative. They served turkey last night, and you know when you get a piece of turkey that's still on the bone and you've got that blood on the bone, so they obviously didn't cook the turkey, didn't leave the turkey in long enough, should I say. I hate seeing blood on the bone, especially of chicken or turkey. That was the only thing I couldn't eat last night. The hotel itself, it's vast, it's huge. I didn't realise, but you're on like a main road, 2 roads back, and the hotel spans from that road right down to the beach road. So literally in front of you is the beach. It's got one main swimming pool, then it has a smaller swimming pool, then it has a children's pool, and it has an indoor heated pool. It's got a gymnasium. The room itself is massive, absolutely gorgeous room, plenty of hot water, lovely walk-in shower. The bed, again, a really good night's sleep. Mattress is this deep, really good night's sleep. Staff have been brilliant again. So really, it's a hotel I can't fault. Well, I pointed out last night, I arrived yesterday afternoon, and I pointed out that there was the table tennis and there was the tennis courts, but then I realised they weren't. They were actually greens, so it's for bowling. It's a lovely day, but I've got to go back home, unfortunately, back to reality. As I was saying, the hotel, I can't fault it, really can't fault it. It's so clean. It's so big, the lounge, the bar area, it's spacious, it's unbelievable. It's like a TARDIS when you walk through the door. It's a very narrow entrance and then it just keeps going and going. So I would recommend the Don Pablo here in Torremolinos. So it's on the higher scale price wise, not much more. It was half board single occupancy. And it turned out at £87.74 per night, and as I say, that's for one person. I did have a quick look and it's coming up around about £125 for 2 people sharing the same room, half board. So 60 quid a night each. As I say, you do have to search on certain search engines. Someone's either using a hairdryer or a lawnmower or something. Never fails when you're doing a piece of camera. You sit as far away from somebody or as far away from people and noise, and either a lawnmower starts or a bike will start next to you. It never fails. Doesn't matter. I could be on a desert island and someone will go past on a bike. Anyhow, oh no, she's drying her hair in the window of her apartment. That's what the noise is. Yeah, so £87.73 or something like that, a couple of coppers. And as I said, that's bringing me to a close for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed my little journey to Torremolinos. It's a place that's really up and coming. In the last I was talking to people last night and they've been coming for about 15 years
and they have seen this place change in the last 10 years totally. Apparently 2016 they ploughed a lot of money into the centre of Torremolinos, and they gave a lot of businesses a lot of money after COVID to bring them back on the feet. That's the government. They gave the businesses, local businesses, loads of money to bring them back onto the feet because they'd lost so much during COVID. But you can just see the government have ploughed so much into the centre of Torremolinos, pedestrianised the areas. It just looks far better. A place that I thought would die. I thought it was going to disappear and never be seen again, but I stand corrected. As I say, I've got to make my way back to the airport. Give the video a thumbs up, of course, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.